everybody, Brooke Tanner with Century 21 Trophy Class Real Estate here at my new listing located at 12278 North Willow Drive in Bitely, Michigan. This property offers a stick-built 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a fully finished basement with a bar and entertaining area. There's also a 2-stall detached garage and 2 sheds for all of your storage needs. This property is great for anybody seeking seclusion in a country setting with plenty of opportunities for recreation nearby. If you're interested in learning more, please give me a call at 231-225-1368. Thank you.